Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. If you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Marlakris. I'm not a nail tech, I'm not a nail professional, I just have fun with nails. So if you're interested in some of the stuff that I do, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Today's going to be kind of a first impressions type video of a couple of things that I'm trying for the first time. Don't mind my right hand. I was going to soak them off to do a new set, but I just was too excited about my new products. So I'm jumping right into doing my left hand. On my left hand right now, I do have a couple of coats of acrylic. I think I did 3 coats of acrylic and I put on gel base. And that's because I'm using gel polish again. It's like Marlakris's Adventures in Gel Polish, part 3, maybe. So I got this cat eye set from Amazon. It's by Gellen. It came with 6 different colors. I'm going to show you a bunch of them right now. The colors don't have names, they just have numbers. And I guess I was trying to figure out which color I wanted to do. And cat eye polish for the most part, you know, if you've seen my almost cat eye polish video, I'll link it up here in the card somewhere. But I did it a little bit differently in that video that I'm going to do here. In that video, I kept it true to their, directions and what they wanted me to do with it. This time, I did have a subscriber request to do the cat eye with a black background, so that's what I'm going to do, or attempt to do at least. So first impressions today are going to be for the Gellen cat eye polish set, and also Sparkle & Co. I had never tried any of their gel polishes, but I've been getting very much into gel polish recently, for those of you who haven't noticed. If you haven't, shame on you. You should be here. I'm in a mood. So yeah, I'm gonna check out their gel polish. I'm using black gel polish from Sparkle & Co. It's called Little Black Dress, and this blue I believe is the one I inevitably go with. I'm actually wearing them on, not that blue. There's a blue up to my right. That's what I'm gonna use. I have them on right now. I am still obsessed. I love them so much. I've gotten so many compliments on them. So yeah, we're gonna get into some shenanigans with gel polish. As Susie Q would call me, I'm the shenanigator. She sent me this thing. It was so funny. It was like a meme and it said it was a shenanigator. I'm like, oh my god, that's so me. All my nail shenanigans. I'm the shenanigator. I've said that word way too many times now. I will digress. So yeah, I'm gonna go with it's really pretty blue with a background. I figured it would look nice, so I'm gonna get into it. I've got the base, like I said, I put gel polish base coat down on 3 dips of acrylic. I will link something up here in the cards about how I do my clear acrylic application. I just did a video a couple of uploads ago, but I'll link it up here for you. So I'm gonna go in with my Sparkle & Co. black gel polish. And granted, I've not used many different brands of gel polish, a few recently. This one though kind of shocked the hell out of me because look at how opaque and like true black it is in just one coat. And I did a little bit better at this attempt at gel polish than I did in my alcohol inks video, which I'll link up here for you guys to watch if you haven't seen it and you want to see a truly atrocious gel polish application, but a pretty awesome outcome. Check that video out. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me get polished up real quick, and then we'll get into some cool cat eye stuff. So stick around and I'll be right back. So, yep, I impressed myself ever so slightly with my gel polish application. I went ahead and cured that for a full minute in my LED UV, which I'll link in my description box, along with all the products that I'm using today. And now we're going to get into the cat eye. So here's what the instructions kind of sort of said and what I did. I apply the cat eye polish to my entire nail, and I'm working one nail at a time. I learned the hard way last time I did a gel polish cat eye video that you need to work one nail at a time. If you try and do all of them, yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go. So one nail at a time. So I apply it to the entire nail, covering the black as fast as possible without, flooding my cuticles and whatever. You gotta be kind of careful. Then I take the magnet that came in this kit, and I'm gonna hold it over in an angle, whatever I want, for about 10 seconds or so. And you can move the pigment once you, magnetize it. You can still move it around. And you just get it to where you want it in a good position. And then you want to cure this like right away after you're happy with the positioning of your pigment, because that pigment, if uncured, it will, kind of diffuse and spread out. So I went ahead and cured it just for like 10 seconds or so to set that in where I wanted it. And then I'm going to go in with the rest of my nails. Again, still working one at a time. Now, while you guys are watching this and being mesmerized by this witchcraft sorcery gel polish cat eye stuff, because it really was. It was pretty mesmerizing to me. I actually did also on one of my girlfriends who came over, and she was like, "This is magic." And I'm like, "I know, it's so good." So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna chit chat with you guys a little bit. You know what? One of my subscribers in a recent video comment, because I always say welcome to the family, my little YouTube family. One of my subscribers is like, you need to come up with like a family name. And I'm like, oh my God, that's the cutest idea ever. So I need your help, guys. What should our little family name be over here? Comment down below. I may throw a poll up on Instagram after I have a few comments or ideas or suggestions, and let's decide on a family name. I don't want to choose the family name myself because, heck, we're a family. So I think we all should have some input as to what the family name should be. So comment and let me know your ideas for a family name. So there's that. Really want to get a good family name here. And also wanted to just get your input about what you thought of some of my last uploads. If you guys are into like the gel polish type stuff, want to see if you guys have tried any of the top coats I did in my comparison. Did you guys watch my daughter do her own nails? It was the cutest thing ever. It really was. It was so damn adorable, and she did such a good job. I'll link that video either in the description box or up here in the cards, but it was a moment for me, it was bittersweet, because in one way I'm like, heck yeah, you killed it. You did your own nails. On the other hand, I'm like, meh, you did your own nails. I am now useless. So you guys have to comment and let me know. I'm gonna get my last nail cured, and then I'm gonna put some top coat on, and I'll be right back with you guys in a bit with my final thoughts.